Hello guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to Denesh Daily Vlog. So let's check out guys. It's time to move to other state. So let's check out from this KB town. So this is the bus express Perdana. So just reach. Let's go for a just walk around here. Express Perdana. This is my bus. Window seat. Finally in the bus going to Batuet. Now it's a trip to west, so I'm going to Penang by bus, and it gonna be 8 hours of travel. I never take bus from Kelantan to Penang, so this is my first time, and it will go through Greek. I mean, I heard the route is quite interesting. It's a lot of turns, a lot of zigzag turns, so I can't wait to experience that. And I'll reach Penang tomorrow morning. See you at Penang. I just reached Penang Batuet ferry terminal. This is the hostel I'm staying. Dow House Guest House. Here is where I'm staying at Georgetown, Penang. So later on I will show inside how it look like. I stay in a bunk bed. So it's 6 people in a room and shared bathroom. So let's go guys. I wanna have my breakfast now. Now it's 9 o'clock. So let's roam around Penang city. Actually, Penang is quite familiar for me. I study here, so I've been a lot of time to Penang. So it's just not a new place for me. So I gonna go around again in Penang city. So let's go. Join me. I saw one Indian coffee shop here. I'm gonna go there and have my coffee. I'm staying exactly at city center. Here is Komta, Jalan Gurdwara, near to First Avenue Mall, and then Komta Tower. Hah? Melaka.
Melaka. Melaka mana dekat ni? Apa Melaka? Itu Melaka mana dah dekat lah. Dah, ada punya itu punya. Jadi yang tadi boarding lah. Tak boleh jamin.
So I ordered tea and one water. This is the small coffee shop I just had just now. So kedai kopi Perisami. So now let's go to just walk around Georgetown.